The setup and installation of the Bio-Rad Supply Center is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. You and your Bio-Rad representative will select the desired module configuration. We offer full height and under counter systems to support 4 degrees, -20 degrees, and ambient temperature systems. Step 2. Our excellent service team will work with you to schedule a timeline for system installation and review of consignment inventory. Step 3. The supply center will be installed, stocked, and ready to use in no time. Prior to installation, a Bio-Rad representative will confirm your site's space, safety, and internet requirements, as well as identify an on-site contact. Your on-site contact will maintain the supply center to ensure all the materials you need are always readily available. The Bio-Rad Supply Center. Maximize your time for science.